long would it take you to create a DXF vector file that's good enough for CNC cutting for a shape like this? Would it take you 3 hours? Would it take you 30 minutes? Well, with the logic trace system, I can do the whole pattern in under 1/100 of an inch accuracy in less than 2 minutes. I'm doing these little rectangles. There's all them. Let's switch to the holes now. I'm going to do 3-point holes. With the logic trace system, I just place the pattern on the board and trace it out with the pen stylus. It's very fast and it's very accurate. Just trace it with the pen, get XY points. My software turns that into a DXF file. There's all those circles. Now let's do the outside edge. It's a bunch of arcs. Just think how much time this would save you trying to get your DXF vector files. With no more measuring, just trace and save a file. It will save you hours on every single package. I got one more, just this thing here in the middle. I got an arc at the top. I got a line.
One more.
And another arc. I'm all done. There it is. Save the file. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot one. Rectangle, start. Now I've done all of them. Let's save the file.